Arya Stark, girl with no face, girl with ginormous eyebrows, girl with no name.
I am Daenerys Targaryen, the Khaleesi, mother of dragons, breaker of chains, drinker of rosé.
You mean the mother of dragons that slept with Jon Snow?
Oh, he was good. Not the mightiest, but good.
He was my brother, or is my brother.
He is my nephew. Who knew?
Double ooh, but guess what? Winter is coming.
Winter is here.
No, winter is coming.
No, winter is here.
No, winter is coming.
Winter is here. Choke on a snowball. Dracarys, melt her hideous brows off.
Oh, hey, that's a wrap? All right, cool. Happy Halloween.
Hello there, kitty. That's a nice boat. Would you like it back?
I'm not supposed to talk to strangers.
And I'm not a stranger. I'm Natty Wise. I'm a dancing clown.
You're freaking me out, Natty.
Do you
Wise. You're
like
freaking me
the
out.
circus,
No, I
kitty?
hate the circus. No circus.
Would you like a balloon? I got a nice red balloon for you. Here, take it. Take it.
I don't
take
think
it.
I want the balloon.
Take it. Would you like some cotton candy? Some cotton candy. Take it. Take it.
I'm just
Take it. Take it.
Yeah.
What about some popcorn? Popcorn? So good. Take it. Take it. It's so good, kitty.
I'm not feeling the popcorn, creepy clown.
I'll make you an offer you can't refuse, kitty. Would you like some rosé? Come on, kitty.
Day.
Oh, good. Get